this? This is pouring down rain. Gus, we left in the nick of time. Oh my goodness!
Hi there.
Damn! Jeez! Wow!
Dude, the wind is slowing me down so fucking much.
Hey, don't be cussing. You're on video, by the way. Holy cow! Look at this rain, y'all! Oh my goodness! Oh, you can't see anything! Look at this! This is gnarly! Oh! Oh my goodness! Wow!
You're an idiot. Silver car in the rain, no lights on.
Gus, look! Gus! Look at that car, dude! That is gnarly! Why are we stopping, people?
Because it's raining and people don't know how to drive.
No, but a dead stop on the highway.
Look at the... Come on, camera.
My wheels, dude.
There's puddles on the highway, y'all. That's crazy. Trying to get the best footage for you as possible.
The wipers aren't even fucking helping.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Surprisingly is how the trees ain't blowing quick. Wow. Holy. This is just... Okay, Jesus. That's enough peeing for right now. When I said that for the first time, John laughed his butt off, dude. It's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is like a funnel, dude. He's like, I ain't going that crap. Wow. People are like, hell to the nah. Wow, I have never... There was one time I was driving down to Branson. This was like this, but it was pitch black outside. It was dark. It was at 9 p.m. at night, and my dad could not see not anything. This is why we took John's truck. He's got great tires. His tires can grip anything. Whoa! That was a puddle. Watch this car. Oh. How's your creek, Jan and Pam and John? Yeah, it's flowing alright. Wow.
Got all these guys up here.
Oh my lord.
No one wants to drive in it. I don't blame them. Look at all these cars. Everyone pull off because holy! Oh wow. That was a puddle way back there.
Yeah.
Like, you can see it like...
What is this idiot?
Now it's starting to clear up a little bit. Now we can see a little bit more ahead of us. That was just holy. Wow. So that was going that way, I'm assuming. Oh, dude, Maple Air's about to get flooded. Damn. Oh, I feel so bad for these people. Oh, they gotta go through all that stuff. No, that was crazy. I thought that was like a storm. And it was just a rain. Wow. That is crazy, bro. Damn. Wow. That is awesome. driving, and then all of a sudden you're like,
Whoosh. It's like, goddamn.
right? Now it's all done.